how to use or how to add or how to create dual WhatsApp account on WhatsApp on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Masnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or create dual WhatsApp account on your phone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up WhatsApp. Now here I'm logged into one of my account. If I tap on three dots option, you want to simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner. There you can see switch accounts option. Now it is showing me switch account option because I do have multiple accounts already added. How you can do so? Once you tap on three dots, you want to tap on settings. Once on settings, you'll get this option like this. You want to tap on account option, and under account, now here you can see remove account option there just above delete account. If I tap on it, it'll remove this account that I'm logged in on. So if you do not have another account added, you'll get the add account option. You want to simply tap on add account option, and then it'll redirect you to enter in your phone number and such, and you'll have to enter it, verify it like you do while you're logging to WhatsApp, and you'll be able to log in. So this way you can create dual WhatsApp account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.